We survived. Then we lived. Not everyone can say that, can they?
We're using these mosaics here with the accent. You see the style here, just for our brains for later. And he likes this tile here to match off that. You see some more you like?
No, I'm just looking. I don't need to be looking at this.
You're a one tile man.
Fine, man. I
right.
am easy, simple, and I'm just gonna. That's the way I Christmas shop. I go in, I have a plan, I get it done.
We'll get that shot just for in the back too. And then, excuse me, sir.
Sure.
Would you know if you have any more of these in stock?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. We're taking them all.
All right. And the grouts.
We'll go check that and see what color you like.
How many you got here?
17.
I got 21 on hand, so chances are that's all I got.
All right, he said 21 total, so the 17 would just make do in that other cut.
Yeah, we'll
Grout Experts LLC. What we're working on today, obviously a beautiful pool. No, not doing that. We're gonna rebuild this bar, and I got called out to do something different. So what we want to do, we went and we bought these beautiful tile. I'm gonna give them more surface to prep, and we're gonna add these beautiful mosaics around the front. And that's just what I like to do, you know, my style, right? So, all is well. Great day. Just gonna get this popping right, all right? Grout Experts LLC, you later. Loving this, loving it. Peace. Everything's coming along nice. This is gonna be the new style of the barbecue. I just want you to see all the corners. Everything's even, everything's flush. So I think the client will be happy. Obviously, I'm just doing the dry lay so I can see what it would look like when I'm completed. Okay? So we're working our way now. Everything's coming out great. All right. Get you back in a second. Grout Experts LLC. What I'm working on now are the cuts around the pole. So I've already did my measurements. I'm just measuring out the depth of the cut before I get started here. Should be quick and easy. Grout Experts LLC.
Yeah, you see, some men see things the way they are and say why. I see things that never was and say why. Hated school never went, hooky was better spent. Hated school never went, hooky was better spent. Hated school never went, hooky was better spent.
Finally, I've got everything laid out. I'm gonna come back, drop this baby on Thursday.
Hooky was better spent. Look how a lady raised me. Some say he crazy. Open the lane up so I can make these fuckers pay. Open the lane up so I can make these fuckers pay.
Grout Experts LLC. What we're doing here today, we're grouting the mosaics. It's coming along pretty decent. So I'm happy about that. I'm making my way down. The sun is so bright that it's drying the grout before I get to it. So I have to do it slowly in sections to make sure I get what I want. But looking good, looking good, looking good. I'll come back with the acrylic and seal it up tomorrow. All is well. Grout Experts LLC. Just crushing them. Experts LLC. So I just want to take a love review. Took me 3 days, knock this baby out. Full restoration. Fresh countertop. Color sealed. all the way around.
Make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long. I'm not gonna be here.
Yeah, we put it in.
I'm not gonna be
Killed it.
gonna be here for
Feels great. Let's get him out here and see what he has to say. Rolling hills. Love of my life. Let's go get him.
Oh yeah.
Come take a look.
Hell yeah. So she's talking about the bathroom,
Oh yeah, we
The
can see
middle
those.
bathroom?
Yeah, that way you never have to clean it again.
the middle bathroom, and the other. Oh my god, dude, that looks awesome. Looks great. Some more water. Damn. Smooth.
All the way around.
Very professional.
Ha!
Very professional looking, I might add. Oh yeah, these little guys came out great. That was a
Okay.
great idea.
Well, hey, we didn't have this. You know, it was all measurements.
Right? Oh yeah, I sent her some pictures to see that.
Okay.